a great choice today with the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, remote engine start, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, front floor mats, ABS four-wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, active suspension system, rear defrost, universal garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.